Hey guys, Don Purdom. So yesterday I talked about this whole concept around the ideas of too much versus too little. That if you build a website that has too much information, it can be extremely detrimental to trying to get across what your point is. And if you don't have enough, if you are so minimalist that you don't say anything, then, well, you understand, right? You can't do anything with what you don't know. I want to take a look at this website that we built recently. It's a dogslifeme.com, and it's a resort and spa. It is a beautiful, beautiful website. I feel like this website really nails down the presentation very, very well. It's not too much, and it certainly isn't too little. So we can look at, we've got a nice bar on the top. We have the address, phone number, email address, fax, social buttons right there at the top. Super clean, easy to find. And we can see a million wags. I mean, we know this website is about a resort and spa for dogs. It says it in the imagery. By the way, I don't know if you can tell over my right shoulder, I see a corgi here. I've got a corgi. She's sleeping over there on the chair. Well, anyway, the cool thing is this website is telling you so much about this organization, but in a minimal way. So if you have your dog at the resort and spa, dog cams, you can watch your dog play. How cool is that? I think that is so cool. Every pet deserves paw-fact care while having fun, right? Everything about this website, from its colors and its layout to its imagery, is screaming fun. It's screaming, this is a safe place for your dog. This is a good place for your dog. This is a fun place for your dog. And so you can scroll through, you can see that there's just enough information about who they are and what they do. And if you've got some questions, you can reach out to them. You can get a discount or a coupon. And there's even some blog articles on here. So, folks, this is an idea. I just want you to see this is the perfect case of blending enough information without giving too much information. It's minimal. There's a lot of white space. It's clean. It's simple. It's easy to follow. I get the point. My dog should be at your spa. So this is what I want you to think about as an example of when I say don't do too much, don't do too little. There's a blend between giving just enough that gives the person what they're looking for, exactly what they want, so they can take the next steps.